want to introduce you to our survival hatchet, and this is housed nicely and securely on your belt. And then the tool itself, very grippy handle, streamlined, lightweight, but very robust steel. Great for shelter building, making kindling, tinder. Got that 2-finger prong just on this that allows you great dexterity when you're operating it. All in all, this is a great survival tool to take with you into the wild. And normally hatchets or axes are heavy and cumbersome. This is lightweight and very efficient.
When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the Trail Shot microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the Trail Shot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The Trail Shot filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The Trail Shot filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000 liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the Pocket Rocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation Pocket Rocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined Pocket Rocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.
This is a Zune Low-2 Annihilate military shovel. Made for more than 20 processes. With 15 functions, it's suitable for military and survival rescue. The shovel surface is made with the 3rd generation fine-grained casting technology, which has amazing strength with a built-in hypothermia anti-skid sleeve. Inner oblique line axe edge design. Slashing penetration increased by 45%. The induction temperature at the blade edge reaches 1300 degrees centigrade. The effective hardness is HRC 60. Cutting edge design with a high sharp angle, forming an inner curved blade for cutting. Make it easy to destroy objects with fibers. 6-speed shift key design. No need to remove lever handle. Press the shift key lightly. Multi-angle adjustment of shovel surface can come true. Agility like a part of the arm. 3D, 3-dimensional casting. The thickness reaches to 1.3 centimeter, like backs of the human body. It can easily support the weight of an adult. The second lever is equipped with tactical assault knife, which is Bowie knife type design. It is made from X155 CRV MO121 steel, produced by the Ruhr Industrial Zone in Germany. Extremely sharp. The third lever is equipped with rescue whistle, used for warning, distressing, and scaring beasts. The tail handle is equipped with a German fire rod, You can fire with the sawtooth of the tactical knife. The temperature produced by instantaneous friction can reach 1000 degrees, which is enough to ignite a fire switch. No matter where you go, take it with you will be the best choice. With supercraft and German quality, it can follow you around for a long time.
This is the Bear Grylls Card Tool, built for all-in-one problem solving. A 1.5-inch fixed blade fine edge knife pulls easily from the tool for quick use. At the opposite end, a Phillips and a flat driver for tightening screws, and a compact ferrocerium rod for starting fires. Just use the back edge of the knife to quickly produce a spark. There's an integrated water-resistant LED task light, metric and standard rulers, and a convenient bottle opener. At just over 3 inches long, it's easy to carry every day. And thanks to its sturdy steel construction, you can sit on this tool without worrying it'll break. Including the Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide, this tool delivers a ton of function and takes up just a little space. This is the Bear Grylls Card Tool.